Mountain say your crutches are the cleanest crutches him sip on the net so far. So how Rosealee feel?
I don't.
She have to open up in her jeans pants.
You have to feel away. Your Blamdem I use him head pan her, but Rosealee, go and go show them under here and know.
Hey, mistakes when I hear that. You know, that boy women are like
him out to order
It's a second animal aims back with a life for Shebada Shay, guys. One epa passa. Please like, share, comment, and please subscribe. Bye bye, y'all.
me in a something.
Yeah. And
Something.
I come for chat people with me,
No. Me in my church.
Today I sat there at church time now.
Sabbath.
And on Sabbath time now, man. Come.
You not tell me nothing. You're the devil ass whip and you not make me straight from the scripture. What me tell you say? Hey girl, don't let me call Blamdem.
Yeah, man, I come for tell you about him saying come hear him now. Share your dash me when I say no, don't say that. Hear me here from Chibi man threatening me a dash me when I say no.
When my man threatening him dash me. The boy left me.
If supposed to left you, you make them threaten the boy.
But now which one of man them threatening him?
You don't know which one?
I do.
You better talk too loud, come in the able.
I'm not saying, but no.
All to order do it. Do I them do that?
That boy they want to mash up my life because me and him not too depend on nothing.
And that me I say.
Me not too depend on nothing.
After you can, you must say, can travel and say, you know, him can't travel at least.
You know I'm a freestyle.
Yeah. No, you have to
and look how me I say me that spit in my hand, me gonna rub down canal. Now some see them do it. You know the Amazon.
You know some terror blood clot, yo. Terror, you know.
How come you're not about to report Blamdem?
Report Blamdem long time to the fraud department. Him don't name Blamdem, him name record a Plurite.
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 I like the last name though.
You like the last name?
Yeah, Plurite. It's foreign, it's odd. Yeah, it's strange, you know, something out of the norm.
Plurite, yeah, Plurite.
So the video now, Shay. What video they matter about?
I say I gone viral, me I make money.
Come here now. What video they matter about now?
One video. I'm gonna tell you about the video. The video was from 2021.
So,
like, you know when you have a girls group and the whole of the group are send video and so?
Yeah.
Me never save nobody video, but one specific person saved my one. So she want to hold it over my head, but no me as a...
nobody named Kenzie?
No, sir.
Oh.
No me as a bad bitch now. When she come and she say, oh, because she come and tell the people say me and her did a relationship and so and she did love me. She even go up and pretty than lie. She pretty than bring me down. I say me a wicked and tears they upon me because the girl in love with me and me can out the girl. A sister, you call me so I never know say you in love with me. You're delusional. The girl saved the video and send it and say she have it. She show me first, so she have it. I'm going to tell her to send it out. I don't care.
So what is the video about? Come in here, who have the video?
The video is about me and my baby father. Like,
that's how you want to know. We don't want to know nothing more. I don't want to play any card. You know, me can't sit down and chat on the son nasty. Because I call that a union. You see me up on the outside, with freaks and kinky. I want to take my ambition to everybody. You call me germs.
Right.
That's a different thing. Have the germs. Cause Shay, let me tell you something. Some girl a talk about them this and them that. Them have to lick out man body or some girl a eat here out of bottom. You don't think them teeth are twizzle.
Nah. Terrible. Rough.
Ask you.
Too, yeah.
You don't think them teeth are twizzle. If it's a top girl in that class, yes, sir, I would understand. But nobody from the gutter can class you. And them a talk about your people. Urban need for go hug her child because she's ashamed of his deformity. And that people now talk about, she show everything else and speed up her video. If you never cuss her about her child, she couldn't put out her video and speed dial because the video was moving so fast. No, it's not like me I tell.
It's just
Remember say when me talk them do, you know. I saw you know if you're not take down them curtain like me.
So
Like no shit not talk them not do.
yeah, me can't go back and forth with them, Shibi. Because for once them bring in Pitney, you lose. Because remember your Pitney special and my one is okay. So I can't really. No.
This.
No.
Jamaicans thinking girl them to understand this. You see when you have flaws or faults, be careful who you mail with.
Right.
They want to have freedom of, there's no equality in cussing.
And everybody did that say, Shay, answer. Me and say, no, I'm not answer your car. If me, alright. Them a go be me, alright. She talk about my daughter. If me go talk about fair one, and me the internet a go beat because remember they not like me. I don't care neither. I never care. But me just say, the things that me go tell you, it a go hit hot. And people a go cry and say me wicked. And me come here go tell you the things them or your daughter special.
The internet not have no belt, me can't feel.
No, sir, me can't. I say me just lower. Come here and say, girl, you don't love your Pitney.
She from
You
every
could never love her Pitney. She don't love her Pitney. Because you cannot bring down my Pitney, you know, so you're Pitney special and have whole heap of faults. So, you really don't love your Pitney for sure.
Hey, me not lie. Me don't know how to do it, you know.
You don't love her Pitney.
God bless you, girl. God bless you. God
Well,
bless you. I see you near to church, you know. I see you near to church. God bless you.
dear to where? To which one of the church them?
No, me see I go to church, man. Me just see I serve your God.
My prayer about
That's all like me say bring your deformity we drop out of your pum pum come. Cause you carry something curl up for 9 months, it won't stretch. Shay, let me tell you something. One thing I learn in a life. You see when you're going a battle,
yeah.
you're going a battle head on. Comes what may. Comes what may. That's when we come on the app and me say me no want no friend. Because me no want when me for talk my truth, you big shade.
Yeah.
You do something to me, everybody a talk about it. And I feel like me for talk about it, me go say me not to share my friend, yes. And me not like she for go suck herself because on your share handicap. Yes, you understand what I say?
Yeah.
You want to interpret it, say me I bring you down.
That a feel them problem. But me like the truth.
Yeah, me I tell you, Shay. I'm going to tell you.
Me just lower come here and say waste of time because you don't love your daughter. And you know your daughter not in a like girl, go. Fuck out of here, man. And they gone for some long time picture from 2009. Claim to say, yeah, bring down girl. You go for some picture when me is a batty blood clot, man. When me I play football at Jamaica, me look like a tomboy. You go for them picture like, you can't use them picture there. Talk about no. Oh,
No, but even when you did black, so she never seen a person.
Right. But talk about how me look now. How the girl perky, her body perky, the girl shape good now. You don't talk about now. Go for your picture with me now. No man go for one picture from 2009.
I belly she come show from 2009.
My belly flat.
I belly she come show. In a mountain say your crutches are the cleanest crutches him sip on the net so far. So how Rosealee feel?
I don't.
She open up in her jeans pants.
You have to feel away. You're blame them I use him head panar, but Rosealee, go and go show them under here, you know.
Hey, mistakes when I hear that. You know, that boy women are like
him out of order, and she my embarrass the girl.
Look how much my fling when my phone in and through my Western Union for now.
Too fucking bright, but Rosealee, go and go show them under you, say under you look good to know.
Because with a one more lens. Top chef. Top chef. One top chef.
Why him clown her out cute?
Pretty.
Hear no? Hear him not put a towel here no? No. Never block me.
You know, she's afraid I'm out. Yeah. She's afraid I'm out.
But she sound excited about her front exposed. Some of them was excited, girl. I'm a pussy clean and pretty. Ask the media. You're crazy, girl. I'm so excited.
I would have.
This money come down my comments and she excited about her front. Girl, nothing wrong with me.
Stop. Tell us that we them consider as bring down it working in your favor.
Exactly.
So you have to rejoice.
What would the class as bring down? It work in my favor. Anyways, guys. Clean underneath. Remember, me have the remedy phone. Clean. Me say, Shibi, me get some people from US about 50 batch. Me have to send out, you know, cute.
Business are going.
Yes. Business, you never know. A lie.
Urban have no more picture. Urban.
I want them put up more.
Urban skills are going good.
Me say, me can't believe me say cute. I'ma show you. Yeah, I be able to.
No, I just that alone no one know Shay.
Yeah. Long time video. But I just want to tell them thanks though, you know.
No matter if the video long time or if the video yesterday Shay or if the video is tonight or it's gonna be tomorrow. It doesn't matter the video. Are your baby father?
Them say the man in a Pampers.
He's supposed to in anything at all. Are your baby father?
But good pussy get fucking at anything.
The fact of the matter is, people only have a talk, but it's when it comes to the reality of it. Because if you take a bad boy and then get shoot up, you have to nurse him. And when the medication busting him, and whatever stand up on him, he may go beg you near me to ride it if him can't stand it. You understand me?
It's true.
Now me not ask you, so when girl are cuss, girl and argue with girl, let me tell you this, if your baby father have sugar, you not leave him enough girl there with man in a wheelchair. Look pan right drinking. Look pan right drinking. Remember say enough girl make all cocaine eat them front.
Well, remember them, I don't want to say it because I don't want. Remember them kiss madman and they with mad manners.
Exactly. So this is a part of the conversation I've been saying for whenever. I say, who is the man?
Right. I'm a baby father, a long time video.
I say, who is the man? It doesn't matter whether you want them the pampers off and boy take off the drawers off with them teeth. And some people do the panties stiff like crystal.
But them a go like stand up, but them a go like somebody piss pa me, shit pa me. Them still not cocky in my mouth. Don't not see no cocky in my mouth.
All if that be the case, you're freaky and your man kinky. Perfect combination.
Everybody fuck and me alone fuck. Everybody fuck.
Remember when each dancer get pissed in a fair wig, you know? Oh, I'm gonna hear them around with that.
No. Joe.
Looking out on the morning rain now. Then what's how we Blamdem them at tear up the people them candy. Blamdem them like from day one I usually call ice panny man not Shay. I want that share all back by ice. She not go through it. How much people call she and beg her don't do it. She not go through it. Then she just start the things in my epoch. A RT boss daughter. Eh? Oh, me so rude. Me not rude no. Then what way I say World Dog? Them say World Dog show him and I say him get shot. And a Shebada did a walk and say World Dog not get no shot. Let me tell you something, World Dog don't get no shot. World Dog don't get no shot. World Dog not get no shot. A Joe get shot. World Dog not get no shot. World Dog too skilled to escape the board box. And I will forever say it. World Dog don't get no shot. I cannot understand how them go as a crowd and I feel them man lose. Then I saw the other party skill. Mind me tell you say Biggs bite World Dog and nobody not believe me. You know? If a Biggs have to throw World Dog over the fence, that means the World Dog was in a state of shock. Somebody call me. And which one am I sex them? I'm a mother to backside. Jeremy can't call it back. I am pretty sure in there smell like poop. No doubt about it. Can you argue with Destiny make you jump up? Then you can imagine how much shorter breath you have had in your dream. Can you never bargain for that? You never stretch. You did not stretch. You did warm up. And Didi make you get up. And what are we make us if I put on underwear? Why Rosealee me give birth of confidence. Hey, you say me never class and say you bleed pan leather. Me nah like you wouldn't jump up and lift up your foot pan Destiny, you know? And you make sure if I put on black, I want to see in our white tights. I want to see how much evidence your fat give. I want to see if underneath your informer. You hear me, baby? I just want to take a slight peek if underneath your informer. And I don't want your skin out when you just put it on. Because when women are bleeding and them go be the period kind of stop little. I want to see your discharge run. Because you're supposed to pop a mackerel, we can work with that. Bust a mackerel on us. Diamond must eat if every time you do video go like you actually see behind your scanty. And Diamond know when shot bust a dance so everybody's scattered. You can find a cell phone where you never have. Come in and if you want nuts, can nuts here run left it, you know. So Candy come in or you know answer Diamond you talk about a long time Diamond I like it. Then Candy easy for like. And the first thing that I want to ask you. I'm not trouble you still because one of my argument, but Candy easy for like. I just ask you that, you go like you're at you're nasty, you want a short back. That's how you take for go do body boy, you do BBL, go do short back and all. Go and find your trick here. Go find your trick here. You know see your body parts are fall off and you're young and done. Just that, you're young and done, how you feel? When you look back in your life, as they say you have further to go, where you going in life with? What you going with? Because if you are 20 something, little bit, and you touch your body, what you have when you are 30? Cellulites must kill you, you know? You are 23, you do your body. You do your body, you're still in the ghetto. Woo, the ghetto. I wonder if the refrigerator white, Nene Leaks and Kenya Moore. Eh? You touch your body, you're still in the ghetto. 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 Oh, you want to see you? Oh, you want to review you, because you have to go tell me this in the same way. You see how Nicki Minaj get every girl with skin out. And I don't know why Nicki not look up in your big stinking underneath and send you a lion for bite off the clit. Bite out the clit where you not have your wooden clit. Why? Since Nicki Minaj get things to skin out, and you skin out are the only thing you get a kingdom here. Eh? You just say your skin, them shall change your skin out. Eh? Yeah. And Nicki can't see through 9-inch while I know say you're not real. Me just ask random question and I pick out the one where you can't answer. The one where you can't answer, we're coming back to them. Yeah, pick out where you can't answer. The ones where you can't so we have to go back to it. Don't think you're not finished the exam. We did it for month, we look old. Now that thing there. Yes, sir. We did it for month, we look old. And you're talking on here, but I'm not in a lie. Your mouth a clap like use bottom. Your mouth a clap like behind a destiny. I not tell no lie. The destiny really a sell mouth and crutches are so rich and miserable. So why destiny run off in a Jamaica latest? Why Didi run in a Jamaica latest? I see Didi and Rosealee I put on a piece of cussing. Then somebody can tell Didi same week paper Friday night. I say Didi cause some I say all Didi cause me I wonder I must cook it if I look Didi, you know, because no man in them rightful mind could never look on Didi. Cause we can't wait for you to dress up when you're in a trash. No my baby, you have to go do better than that. I say I never want to vote for Rosealee, but you make me have to pass the vote to Rosealee and then show me no bad mind and stay bad. I have to give up the vote, me just give Rosealee. Yeah. And you know Rosealee she stay bad because she have a belly above her knee. And you really and truly make Rosealee get to. Then Rosealee, who was that on the bed? Who was that on the bed, Rosealee? AGX that? AGX no blacker than that, or the ring light or game complexion. Rosealee, you have to explain to people living away in your house. They don't share apartment. I was from reaching a conversation, because I don't remember what we talked about, you know. I remember me that talk about, you know, when we reached a conversation, you know. Oh, world dog, oh, I'm telling you, say a big bite him. A big bite him. World dog look sympathy. It just sweet me all the whole of them. You know what sweet me? All the whole of them fall off. And then realize that everything that I've been saying is is coming to pass, and it's also true. You know? I'm going to say something very serious on my program this evening. You see, everybody who me sit down and talk about on my program, you see them play victim in front of you guys, but they really love it when I call them name because they get a highlight. You understand what I'm saying? They get a highlight from it. However, they bask in the fact that you guys are bashing who them well want to talk about them. So guess what them do? Sometimes them do some shenanigans, you know, in order for me to talk about them. And when I talk about them, me don't know all people so bad mind, you know, and they play victims. Now it's when you're not talking about them, and let me just say this, it's when I am not talking about them, you notice how them try everything in their power for me to talk about them, but now I'm not talking about them. Because at the end of the day, when you sit down supping party and play victim, and you no want me to talk about you now. No want me to talk about you now. And that is the funny thing about it. You no want me to talk about you now.